Practice C. We need to solve this equation using the quadratic formula. Let me put the quadratic formula up on the notepad, and then I'm also going to put the second degree general equation up because we'll need that. There's the quadratic formula, and there's the general equation. And then what we do is figure out what's in the A position, the B position, and the C position in our equation. A is 3, B is 11, and C is 5. And then if either of these had been subtractions, then we would have wanted to change those to additions of the opposite first, just so we can see what those coefficients are. But we don't have to do that here. So we have A is 3, B is 11, C is 5, and then we just put those numbers in for A, B, and C on the right-hand side of the quadratic formula to get this. And now all we have to do is simplify the expression on the right. Let's calculate what's under the radical sign first. 11 squared is 121, and then multiplying all of these out gives us this. 121 minus 60, that's what that comes out to. And then 121 minus 60 is equal to 61. And I also multiplied the 2 and the 3 on the bottom to get 6. And then since the irrational number square root of 61 can't be simplified any further, these are our two answers. Now, a lot of people leave them like this. This really means negative 11 plus square root of 61 over 6 and negative 11 minus square root of 61 over 6. So this actually means two numbers. But when you're just getting started, it's probably not a bad idea to split them out and show both of the answers. And so here are the two exact answers to our equation. We could estimate them by punching them into a calculator, but these are the simplest way they can be written and still be exact, and they're the answers to practice C.